This is my final Cocoa Daisy kit. Hey guys, it's May Flom here, and it's my final kit just because I am going into my stash busting phase for the year. Not that I don't always try to do that, but I'm making an effort, so this is my last new kit from them, at least for a while, so digging right in, and the first thing I'm going to do is make a card. Now, I did not know what the theme was when I opened this box, but it is obviously a lot of cactus going on, a lot of greens. And I really try to use every part of a kit, every part of every supply. Using things up, avoiding wastefulness, these are things that I like in my crafting. So what you see me doing here is just going through and thinking, make a card, make a card, make a card. What am I going to do to make a card? Now, I'm going to tell you right now that including editing this video, this card took 15 minutes. Including editing this video. So that's just to tell you how fast you can make a card. It does not have to be stamped. It does not have to be intricate. It can be easy. It can be a great way to use up stickers and paper bits. And I'm a huge advocate for that. Now, I love taking my time too, but I've gone through this kit. I've identified a couple of items like the smile, and there's a friend chipboard, and I think I've got it. Let's make it. So I have got a 4x6 journaling paper there, the striped one that I'm working on top of, and I'm working on top of that because the backside is a calendar and I am fine with not using it. And then I'm just kind of, this cactus moon was actually a welcome to this month's kit item, and I am just going to trim that off, put it to the side, trim it off, and then I'm just going to find, okay, well, what do we have that we can add to this quickly, easily, keep it nice and flat? I'm going to tear this because I already know it's 4x6 and a little too wide. I intend to mount this onto a white blank card, so I already know that it's so it's going to be 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 finished. There are some things I know, right? And then I picked my two big things, the noted sticky note and the cactus. So I know, let's add more cactus. Let's get that chipboard shape out. I know where I'm headed with this. This is going to be a friendship card. It's not going to be any kind of occasion. And the whole point of this exercise is two things. Number one, get your new supplies out and make something. Do not make them precious. Do not avoid using them. There's always more supplies to be had. So get the new stuff out, make something with it. And number two, besides breaking it out, just getting in the habit of making, right? I don't want more things to store. I'm clearing things out. And we're going to talk a lot about stash busting in March for National Craft Month. We're going to talk about reusing, recycling, remaking projects, all of that fun stuff. For this one, what I'm really just doing is finding pieces that I'm into, that I like. These little tiny word stickers take a little bit of time here to get off of the sheet. They're just a little delicate and a little fine, but they're really cool. And by the way, I do strongly recommend the Cocoa Daisy kits. I've been very happy with them. It's, as I said before, just entirely about I need to use up more of my stash before I add anything new in. So I've got smile for my friendship there. I'm adding a little heart instead of the little eye just to make it a little more fun. And I'm not adding epoxy dots. I'm not adding stickers. I'm not adding other stuff. Just a simple, fun little card with our cactus moon, and a little stitching around the edge, mount it onto a white card, and we are done. Hope you've enjoyed this quick little video. What would you like to see next? Let me know in the comments.